Hello. Finally, I got the oDrive and installed it. I got it in January, but now I had the time to actually connect the wires and connect everything, and time to test it a bit. This is, you remember, this is my power supply. So plus, minus, make sure that it doesn't touch each other. We don't want to create smoke, no. And 24 volts. Oh, we need this is the cable from the oDrive here to the computer. I didn't power it yet. First of all, as you know, you have on the oDrive 2 channels. I'm only using the M0 channel here. The connection goes from here to the motor. The encoder of the motor with his own cable goes here. This is the passive resistor in order to take the load when the motor breaks, and this connector here goes to the power supply, 24 volts. So let's see what happens. Power from the computer. I will use the oDrive tool. We take the motor in the closed loop control, and nothing happens. Beautiful. Let's see why. Oh, we forgot to do the calibration sequence. So, as you see, the motor rotates right now. It's in the calibration sequence. And now we can probably then we put into the closed loop control. Where is the command for that? Okay, in the closed loop control, if I'm trying to rotate the motor, it will try to hold the position, and now I can actually move it. And going back. And going forward. I might want to show you a little bit better. This is a marker. I will put a sign here, so it will be better visible on camera. And that's it for now. Next step will be to adapt this gear to the robotic arm, and but for that I will need to print some 3D parts and make a mount for it, and but that in the next video. Thanks.